purchased this to warm water. Nice tea kettles, electric tea kettle. I can operate it with the phone or either manually. You see the Wi-Fi button. I can do tea, coffee, or DIY. I can boil. So it has a lot of different modes, right? That's for coffee. That's for DIY. That's for boiling. And it also has a warm setting. So once I boil the water, it'll keep it warm for me. But I like that. And it changes different colors. So red will show you that is boiling. And then when I do for the tea setting, you see that the light is green. And I do the mode for the coffee setting, you see it's a different color light. That's what I like, the different modes. And this is the DIY mode. If you can see, that color is purple. But I like it because it heats very quickly. So I'm going to put it back on tea because I'm going to have me some tea. So it doesn't overheat. That's one of the things I like about it. It doesn't overheat, where once the water boils up, it'll burn you. But this is nice. You can take it off, and if you can hear the water boiling. And it goes, the max is 1.70 liters. That's the max. So don't overfill it. You don't want to mess up your boiling pot, your tea kettle.
Turn on the hot water.
Okay. At what temperature?
212.
Preheating hot water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
200 degrees.